the simple, basic knowledge you're supposed to know, anybody's supposed to know when somebody is hurt or, you need to do something really quick to get them up the fire.
Say someone gets shot or injured, now with this course, you know the proper steps you have to take to help them get treated. It's helpful to be able to help the medics in case they're like, we don't have enough medics and there's an issue, and be able to actually go out and help.
It's definitely beneficial, like for if you're in the military, even if you're outside the military, because you want to know, how I'm gonna treat a wound, or how I'm gonna stop bleeding, or how I'm gonna, just check for if he has any wounds. That's just simple stuff.
CTC has a lot to offer these students here. As they come through here, they end up taking courses, if not already taking courses at CTC to help them going through a medical program. Seeing soldiers again come back, they keep moving, they keep climbing up.